Understanding isolated pawn in chess and English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that's both a chess term and a useful English expression, isolated pawn. We'll explore its meaning in chess, how it translates into a broader English context, and why it's a great metaphor for various life situations. In chess, an isolated pawn is a pawn with no pawns of the same color on the adjacent files. It's a strategic piece, often seen as a weakness because it cannot be defended by other pawns. But it can also be a strength, offering unique control over certain squares. Translating this into everyday English, an isolated pawn represents someone or something that is alone or unsupported in their environment. It's a powerful metaphor for isolation, independence, and vulnerability in social, professional, or personal contexts. You can use this phrase to describe a person who is standing alone in a challenge, or an idea that lacks support. For example, in the meeting, Jenna felt like an isolated pawn, as her suggestions weren't backed by her colleagues. Isolated pawn is a wonderful example of how terms from specific fields like chess can enrich our language and provide vivid metaphors for our experiences. Whether on the chessboard or in life, being an isolated pawn has its challenges and strengths. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language insights.